Hey there, this is footage of my first creek crossing in the Tesla Cybertruck. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and comment with what you'd like us to film. So, thank you guys very much for watching. First have to unplug the truck. I forgot to do that, so I gotta get back out. Go over here and hit the unplug button. I finally got a 220 volt plug installed in my garage there, so Ashley and I can charge our cars. It gets on the 220 50 amp plug. The Cybertruck gets 26 miles per hour of charge, so it's definitely if you plug it in when you get home, next time you get in your truck, it's just completely ready, completely full, ready to go. Freckles is guiding me out here. Yeah, here pretty soon I'm going to put it in off-road mode, and I have it in overlanding mode when I go across the creek. But you'll see when I come back across the creek and start driving pretty fast in the field that I have it in baja mode. So as I'm creeping down to the creek, I raise the suspension. I hit extract mode, so I raise the suspension all the way up, and I turn the front locking differential on. Since this has two motors in the rear, the back differential is locked as well. And I'm just going to kind of creep. This creek crossing is really sandy, and there's some rocks on the bottom that are jagged, and course water's flowing through. But you know, I just kind of lightly stayed on the throttle, and it just climbed right out of it. To my surprise, I pleasantly surprised with how this truck performs off-road. It's a lot better than people think, and yeah, just as capable as any of my other trucks, really. So I turned around. I'm going to come back through here and just creep down. I was using the front camera to kind of, you see there's a big piece of concrete to my left right there. I didn't want to scrape anything, and I may have scraped my back tire on it. But coming across here, it's just thick with sand, and you'll see the wheels slipping a little bit there, but they're getting traction and pulling me out of there. Pretty cool. And here I'm in baja mode, so I'm just going a little fast. The bed on this truck is a lot bigger than people think. I think you can put a sheet of plywood in the back there. you can definitely put a mountain bike in there, lay it down, and shut the tonneau cover. Hey, check out my other videos. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. And if you're looking for some good coffee, go to vanzantcoffee.com and order coffee from us. We roast it. It's very good. Try Hondo Sidekick. All right, guys. Bye-bye.